In this lesson, we'll look at setting up our print settings to prepare the event that we want to issue a print command as soon as we are finished with the other subs. With any sort of print settings, we need to refer to the sheet object. Print settings exist under the sheet in terms of VBA hierarchy. That being said, it is the same as editing the property settings of any other type of object, and we can use the with in order to adjust all of the properties accordingly. In our example, we are running the macro based off of a selection. The two most noteworthy points are here within the application in ChestoPoint. And the second last example, which is the select sheets printout statement. Our application in ChestoPoint is noteworthy because it provides us the actual measurement of our margins that we are trying to apply. The dot printout, as well as the comment below, gives us the option to view what we are printing and the way it'll come out when it is printed. The second is commented out to ensure that first off, we are happy with the way it appears. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.